to, for the rest of us out here who are still growing children, let's try to raise our children in the best way possible, pleasing to God and pleasing to others, but first God, so that others can look up to us as parents and our children can be role models. Because what I'm seeing now, there's no role modeling about it. There's no goodness about it. And the things that he have done to people, it is really sad. And there was even a part that they said when he used to get beaten, she used to beat him hard. Nothing is wrong with scolding a child, because you sparing the rod and spoiling a child is nothing good. But she still didn't raise